Assalamualaikum and good day. In this tutorial, we will learn how to pass the free reference to the function by using a pointer. Imagine that we have one variable declaration of x equal to 150, and then we want to display this 150 to the function by using a pointer. First of all, we need to design our function prototype. Let's say, for example, first step, function declaration. We need to design our function display num, and then later on we're gonna set the parameter that we need to pass to this display number. Next, we need to declare a pointer variable. Let's say p represent the variable for the pointer, star p equal to x, and instead this one is normal variable of x. This one is pointer declaration of p pointing to variable x. So based off our understanding here, this one will be dereferencing of variable x. X contains the value of 150. We can use this pointer in order to access the variable of x that contains 150. So next, we're gonna have function calls. Second step, then we need to call the function name here, display num, and then we need to specify the variable that we need to pass here. So in this program, we're gonna use passing the reference or the pointer to this function. So we need to put here p, that stands for the pointer from here, p, and then we need to set the parameter here is become integer star p. The third step is function definition. Void display num integer, similar that we have in the declaration part, star p represent the pointer, and then the output printf value is %d, because the pointer is data type is integer. That's why we're gonna have the identifier %d, comma, pointer variable p. And when we try to run the program, so we will have the output of value is 150. Let's say we want to modify this program. Instead of passing one parameter to the function, we try to modify by passing two parameters of variable x and together with the pointer of p. So here we're gonna have another parameter of x, p, comma, x. Here we'll have a value of 150. P here is pointing to the variable x that contains 150. Then, of course, in the function definition, you're gonna have another parameter of x, and we try to display the output. F value of x is %d, x slash n for the new line. Value of p is pointer p. Try to run the program. Right? So we can see here the value of x is 150, value of p here is 150. So in this case, we can use a pointer and pass to the function in order to display the value from the other variable. Thank you.